Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to download and install XAMPP on Mac. So let's do it together. First of all, open your Chrome, then search for XAMPP, XAMPP, press enter, click on the first link. After that, if you are downloading on Windows, choose this. If you are downloading for Linux, choose this. In my case, I am using Mac, so click on that. It will automatically start my download. If doesn't, click here. Please wait for the download. So my download is completed. Please click on this DMG file. It will open this. Close this Chrome and double click on this installer. If it sees that, please cancel it and open your system settings. On system settings, go for privacy and security. Scroll down. Here you can see that XAMPP OS X installer. Click on open anyway. Here it will ask for your MacBook password. Please type your password. And click on open. Here also you have to enter your MacBook password. Click OK. Close this. It will take some time. Press allow. Press next, next, next. It's an easy process. It will installing the all files of XAMPP. And if you don't know what is XAMPP, it is used for MySQL, PHP and Perl. So my installation is successfully completed. Then search for Manager OS X. Here it is. Open it, and whenever you open the XAMPP, it will require your MacBook password. It will show this interface. It is the welcome page, and if you want to manage servers, click on manage servers. Currently the MySQL database is on running. I have to stop this. I want to show one demo of the PHP, that how it works. I have one website, my own website. This is my website, and I show you in Google Chrome. This is my website, and if I click on this sign up, it will show the whole HTML code because it's not on the web server. You have to start this Apache web server from XAMPP and also the MySQL database. So now both are running. and after that you have to search for htdocs. Open this folder and put this whole website on this folder and close this. After that, open your Google Chrome and type for the localhost. Press enter, and now you can see our website. Click on that, it will show our original website. And if I click on sign up now, it will show the sign up page. Yeah, it shows. If I click on buy now, it will shows our payment.php file. So yeah, it's working.